In less than 12 months, 50% of the jobs might be gone, might be obsolete, or might be totally different to what they are today. And no, this is not a joke. But there's good news. If you act now, you can actually be in control and stay ahead of the curve. Stay till the end so I can reveal you how to AI-proof your career today. AI is already replacing jobs. Industries being automated is customer service, data entry, legal research, content writing, among a lot of other jobs. So if you think that your job is safe, think again. Every day they're releasing new models which are more powerful, which are even smarter. And by the end of 2026, we will have more agents than people on Earth, and they will be smarter than humans. So how do AI proof your career and while others get left behind? First thing, learn AI tools now. Start with ChatGPT, start with Claude, but keep on going. 2, build AI-assisted workflows. Figure out your day and dedicate 2 hours every day for the next 2 weeks to automate as much as you can in your life. Get back at least 20 hours a week by automating processes. Yes, you need to learn how to use these tools. Use ChatGPT, use Claude, use make.com, use N8N, and start creating your own agents to automate things in your life. And the third one is position yourself as a leader. Start sharing what you learn with others, what worked for you. In whatever space you are, whatever roles you have, I know there are more people that can benefit from this, and you don't want them to go obsolete. So help them out, give back. It's what I always ask, and it's something we all need to do.